Going on, TikTokers and YouTubers, TikTokers and YouTubers, TikTokers. All right, we got some time this evening. I'm not sure I'll be live tomorrow morning. That's just a heads up for everybody. I don't think I will be. Today is, I have no idea, the 17th. And 6/17/24 Monday. I'll be traveling and stuff. I have no idea if I'll be around for the live tomorrow morning. Maybe super early in the morning, maybe. But that's a maybe. I get it. Why is I have to change this one. I don't know why it's not doing it automatically. I love it. All right. Good evening, everybody on TikTok, everybody on YouTube. We'll make some money tonight. We're going to do some live trading. I'm going to go ahead and say that silly little US 30 I was 100% completely wrong on this morning, but right on overall. Made a good call on that one, but that's been a little later. Hopefully somebody's here. If not, no big deal. We'll get a roll on. Doot. I love it. All right. What's up, Pete? What's up, Garth? Tony? Welcome, everybody on TikTok. Let's see if we got people on YouTube. Nobody? Really? Kind of odd. Oh, there's somebody. What's up, D Nice? What's up, Nathan? Hey, Peter P. Good evening, Pete. What's up, Jan A. Adams? Good evening. All right, we're not on Instagram. That was a complete bullshit. I'm not dealing with their shit. They tried to say I was doing something weird. I don't do anything on there. These are the 3 trades I have open in this account. We'll go over those trades. They're from 6.4 and 6.7 respectively. The buys on the NAS and SPX were up 1,300 pips on NAS right now. 1,300. That's pretty wild. What's up, Filio? What's up, Raider Trader? Good evening, Kelly McMahon. Yanni again. Good evening, everybody on TikTok. Good evening, everybody on YouTube. Oh, yeah, I can kill the time here. Let's go ahead. This is our actual United States of America registered number trademark. Issue to the safety trade system. Issue to me and my wife for class 41. Let's zoom in on that a little bit. Class 41 equals coaching in the field of stock market trading, coaching in the field of building generational wealth through stock trading. So our federal government has issued one of those things to us. Thank you, God. It is legally enforceable all over the world, actually. Can't take the name, can't take any of my indicators, or I'll sue you. We have sued and won, as I've told you multiple times before. Legal disclaimer, we are not financial advisors. No one associated with this channel is. We're a social media influencer. We have a nice store you can go buy some merchandise from. I think people love it. I've only heard positives about it. Make adult decisions because you guys are all adults. Demo trade only. Type yes if you understand we have a copyrighted, legally protected system and that we are not financial advisors. We love it. Keith assures me this is fixed. We'll get to that in a second too. I do believe this is my little draw out there. We love it. We love it. We love it. We love it. Wow, I just sent out the one from, wow, that's late. Yeah, I just got my emails. That's funny. I even waited like 5 minutes. Wow. What's up, Ori? What's up, Rocket? I know, right? We got to get on Rumble. You're right. What's up, Nathan? Thank you, Nathan and Filio. Appreciate it. A few more thumbs up than one. Thank you for being on both TikTok and YouTube, Pete, Ori, I think Garth. Appreciate it, guys. We love it. We love it. We love it. We love it. Thanking God for another day above ground. Thanking God for another day of health, happiness, spiritual closeness with Him. Thank you, God, for another day of 100% perfect physical health, mental health, and financial freedom. Thank you, God, for all your blessings. We love it. We love it. We love it. I'm going to go ahead and say these call outs I made for our, hey, where's our thing at? We love it. For our US 30 buy, worked out pretty well to the blue line. The NAS was the easiest call of them all. And then SPX was next. These are off the hourly. These were all called out live. This was the buy stop called out at open. And NAS at open. US 30 I said was going to go down to its 2-hour line. It did not. It completely went straight up to its 1-hour line, finally, which was called out, just not today. Today was a, see, this is now filled in. All these were red to the 1 hour. Now they're all green. Woohoo! There you go. This is the last one to stand, the 1 hour. And yes, I traded those with you. I've been holding those. Still will. I'll show you why and how. For 1,300 pips on NAS, 200 pips basically on SPX, which is, both of these are legendary trades, crazy amounts. Been holding those for about 3 weeks, 2 weeks, 11, 2 weeks. And then this one is from 6-7. This is a test one right here. It's a negative, but it was already positive. I'm just holding it for argument's sake. I like to see, you know, if you lose $20, $30 learning something, it's a valuable lesson. That's all I can say. What's up, George? God bless each and every one of you. What's up, Kimberly Harrington? It's me, Kim. Kim, the gold queen. Now the queen of everything. Thank you, Pete. Thumbs up. Appreciate that. What's up, Marcus? Marcus Cratius. He has the thing like Anonymous. Whatever happened to Anonymous? What's up, Greg Roberts? Good evening. Thanks for being on both, Greg. Appreciate it. Let's go. JTF6 says, I love it. I love it. I love it. Let's see something here real quick. Let's see something, shall we? How do I get over to there? I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. God bless America, land of the free. Stand. Okay, I don't know the words. Held. Nope. Published. Yo, what happened to the one? Shit. What happened to the published comments? Well, I just had it. Hold on, hold on. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, hold on. What's up, Larry Cooper? What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm going to go ahead and look at my other YouTube here real quick. So I want to see this comment that someone made. I want to see where you guys think of it. because it's kind of weird. And well, not in a bad way, just weird. Like I thought I go of it every day. No, see, these are, fuck, where does it go? Well, I don't know. Health review, filter, search, contains, super thanks. I don't know. Here you go. Here you go. All right, guys. This is a question for you, ladies and gentlemen. This is a question asked a couple hours ago. Having a hard time trying to decipher what you are saying by daily, 4 hour, weekly, daily, or other combinations of time frames. I scoured the rules, really, because this rule 1 and rule 2, you combine the 1 hour and the 15-minute or the 1 hour and 4 hour. And we watched several of these videos. So I don't explain weekly, daily. I don't explain like daily. I'm confused. It's literally how the rules are written and how the freedom signal indicator works. I won't say who asked the question, but he's having a hard time deciphering what I'm saying by weekly, daily, or any other combination of time frames. How many others here are having that problem? 7s if you're having that problem, 9s if you're not. I just want to get a feel for things. What's up, Larry? So 7s if you are confused, 9s if you're not. I'll still go over it, but it's weird that that's being asked considering what it is. So I'll show you. So you're not confused with the 9s. You are confused if it's 7s. All right, well, okay, so most of you aren't. I'm confused with the question. Well, Rocket, it kind of makes me a little confused too, because I'm assuming he means like, how do I read them? Flight 379. Okay, so all I see is 1 then. Well, let's go over that anyways. Well, you're confused with the question. I'm confused with the fucking question. I'm assuming, like, let's take a look at it, for instance. We'll pull it up. I'll start with this since that was the first one I believe was mentioned in the question. Weekly, daily. Okay? I mean, this is literally how it works, right, Pete? I got you, yep. So let's take a look. I think we're good. Wonder if I should kill the light over there. Can you guys read this on TikTok where it says weekly 1, a W1 with an up, a green arrow, and a D1 with a sideways yellow, whatever it is? You can? Yes, they can see it says Pete. Gar says yes. Okay. All right. So the weekly, daily. And this is another thing that's kind of weird to me. That's why I wrote it on here now. The machine gun pre-signals are still being called. Let me be clear. The machine gun pre-signals are still being called to the Discord room and here. This will be given to everybody for free. That's in Tier 3 signals on July 14th. You'll literally have this. We're tweaking a couple things. Pete's testing it, but it's working splendidly well. I wonder what happened to gold today, by the way. But anywho, so yeah, the weekly is paired up with the daily because the weekly pre-signal, the machine gun signal, gives us the heads up to look for the daily. So the daily is the Hydra 2.0 signal, meaning the W1 right there I'm pointing to with the orange thing literally controls the daily. They are paired up because you can't have one without the other. It's peanut butter and jelly. It's chocolate and peanut butter. It's ebony and ivory. It's yin and yang. You have to have these two. So if we have the W1 in this case with an up arrow, green up arrow, you only trade a D1 Hydra signal when it turns to the first time to a green up arrow. So that's how they correlate. And this is the easiest one, the one he asked about. So what does that mean? Let's take a look. It's in a book, reading schmashmos. Marshmallows and Hershey's. Hell yeah, JTF6. Nice s'more going on there. Okay, so let's take a look. This is US 30, but I'm probably going to switch it over to gold. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. Now, on our left, you'll see over here, we should switch this. We're on the daily, so it's a weekly daily. You can see certain signals are being called. The W2, for instance, the W1D3, the W2, and so on. So this is our weekly on the left, and we're going to go ahead and go over to daily here. This is our daily. And matter of factly, Keith, why is this not calling out? This should be calling out. I'm kind of weirded by that. I don't know why it's not. So we literally have right now, I'm going to call it. I'll manually call this. I could have swore I already marked this too. Maybe it's on a different chart or something. Weekly. No, I could have swore I called this. Damn. Anywho, this is a weekly, daily buy stop gold. What's today's date? 6/17/24. We'll keep it pop. So this right here, and I guess I'll have to, I don't know, hold on, let me see where this is at. And the reason it's this, I think I can put it there. I have a fall down anyways, but that's where I'm looking at. All right. So this right here is a weekly daily buy stop on gold. And let's go over the reasons why. The weekly 2 is formed. So if we come up over here, we look at our weekly, we can clearly see that this is the first time weekly 1 right here. Look how much that went up. Now it's down, and this is low enough. Oh, fuck. Super close to being low enough. I'm going to call it just like it did. Weekly, so this is low enough on the weekly chart, pink line from the blue. And then we have our buy stop. This is a normal buy, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. You can place your buy above the yellow right here. That's fine. I like to track it all the way down as it goes down. So the weekly is being combined with the daily. Here's your buy. There's your weekly buy. So they're combined. This is the second time, it's a counter, that it's happened. This is the first time. Blue line went high, pink line went low. Let's look at it. Blue line high, pink line low. And that's it. Second time it happened is here. Right here. Blue line low, pink line high, fill in the gap. Here's your gap on the daily. 7s if everybody understands that. 9s if you don't. I called the buy stop at 23.10. Your call is on the weekly chart. Thank you, Pete. So let's go over here. Oh, I see. Is this 2 of them? I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, I see it. Ha, 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 ha. Yeah. I'll delete this one then. See ya. All right. Daily buy stop. There it is. I see it now, Pete. Thank you. Does that make sense? 7s, if you understand that. They're combined. Who was it? Larry. Make sure Larry understands that. Kai gets it. Good. Pete, 777, my favorite number. And that's it. And to be clear, I will take any W1 or W1D1 against any trader that wants to do a little challenge. Sweet. Big hugs to Mama. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. So if I said 23.10, what's gold at now? What is current gold? 23.24. We're up $14 on gold an ounce. $14 an ounce. Wow. Okay. Cool. Larry, I was confused about the question. Okay, so Larry understands it. All right, cool. That's all. So that's what I mean by 2 time frames. Now we can get a little more detail here if you guys want to go into that. And that is, but this scenario, when it says, let me be clear on this. Correct, it was a really nice call last week. Thanks, Pete. Is when we have the machine gun pre-signal on the weekly, you can take this. The first time the daily comes up, you can take it as a market order. Okay? You don't take any other ones, even on the weekly dailies. You take the first time, and that's it. Okay? So let's go over it. For instance, right here, it says weekly 1. Take it. Right here, it says weekly 2. You don't take it. Just as a marketer, you'd follow the rules, which would be over here. You'd enter right here. You see the difference? Weekly 1, you can take the first time it happens. Weekly 2, you don't take it because it's not the first time it happens and it's the same thing. So let's go over to daily. Weekly 1, D1, you can take a market order on. Weekly 1, D2, because it's the second time, you don't do the market order. You do what's called a rules order. You follow our 2-step rules. So yes, if you understand this. No, if you don't understand it. So this is true for weekly dailies, and it's also true, and this is where some people are getting a little confused, on the next one I'll show you. But let's make sure we stick with this one first. Because everybody wants to take a market order on every signal. You don't do that. I love it. I love it. I love it. Good. I'm glad we have an understanding that you know that you're understood. All right. Let's switch over to the next grouping. Let's watch. So if we're done with this one, right here, pop. We're going to go to the next one, which is our daily hourly. Let's see this. Look how fucking cool that is. All right, let's go over to NAS or something else. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Woo! All right, so we're going to go to the 1 hour. I'm sorry, we're going to go to the daily, my fault. We're going to go to the daily, and under our daily here, you're going to see the daily is the machine gun trade. This literally controls, this daily right here, controls the hourly, 30-minute, 15-minute, 10. So instead of a 2-punch combination, there's daily, hourly, daily 30-minute, daily 15, daily 10. Cool? So let's take a look, shall we? It's in a book, Machine Gun Trades. I can trade anything. Oh shit, and the 5-minute Pete says, let's see. And Pete gets $1. We'll give him $1 a daisy. And the 5-minute. All right? So let's take a look at this reality. We're going to go back. We're going to go right here. I see a D1 buy stop. So we can take that market order when it comes out. Say, sure, enter the trade, blah, blah, blah. Okay? The very first signal here which I don't remember. This might have been a 10 and a 15 minute at the same time. We'll go back and I think I can replay this. Okay. It's showing a 30 minute, and that just can't be correct. I'm sure it's not, but nonetheless. So we can take this as a market order, or you wait until this 30 minute pops up, the very first signal. It's 90% of the time a 5 minute or 10 minute. I seriously doubt it's a 30 minute. It might be. It doesn't make any sense to be, but it might. This 30 minute might be covering up another trade underneath that. I don't know. That's what I would gather. But at any rate, so let's do a playback and see. I'll show you. We can take this D1 as a market order. Hopefully the playback works. I had a theory was if we did it on the right time frame, but that doesn't seem to hold water anymore. All right, let's do it one at a time. And see if, oh, there we go. All right, you can take this one when it first pops up as a buy, D1 green up arrow buy. Boop. And then you can come over here and you'll see it's here. And you can take this as a market order if you want. And that same signal will fly over to the daily, hourly, and the tier 1, 2, and 3 if there's room, if you guys aren't maxed it out yet. Okay. I love you. 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 All right. Now we're going to wait. I don't know if the rest are going to show. Let's see what we got. Here's your price right here. Oh, yeah. CC. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Santa Claus. Santa Claus. I knew it. Those weren't the first one. Let me go back again. Sorry, I wasn't paying attention. We're going to select this one again. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. We're going to go ahead and play this. One speed, do a buy. We're going to wait for the next one to pop till we see it. We're going to see one of these turn green. Stop, pause. Was a 30 minute. Was that a 30 minute? Hold on. Oh, nope. It was a 10 and a 5 underneath there. Why does the 30's covering it up? Hold on. Let me do this again. I love it. I love it. I love it. Keith. What's up, Keith? Having some fun. Trying to do the playback thing. Let's see. There we go. M30 was first. So as soon as this pops up after this one, boom. Take that trade. What's up, Keith? The amazing, the one and only, the incredible Mr. Keith Palmer. Laugh Loud just saw this join live. Keith's funny. We'll talk immediately after it. I won't make this long-winded. Everyone, give it up, though. Hand of applause. Keith Palmer is the master coder. That sounds weird, doesn't it? He's the guy who writes all the shit and cool stuff that makes this thing work right here. That would be Keith. Love it. Awesome job, Keith. We're going over the very first time the daily comes up on the machine gun. You can take that trade if you like. I prefer if you wait for the very first time one of these lights up. In this case, it's the M30. I don't know how. This is your Hydra 2.0 signal. You would do a buy here. Pop. There you go. So everyone give a big round of applause and thank you to Keith. The man, the myth, and the legend. Da 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 da. All right. So does everybody understand? You don't continually keep taking these other. See all these ones right here? They just popped up. You don't take these trades. You have to wait until the rules show that you take these trades. The first time that 30-minute came up, you can take the trade. There's a difference. Does everybody understand that difference? Yes or no? Yes is you could take the daily if you want, market order, execution order. You can take the 30-minute that popped up first right here at market execution. But these trades, you would follow the rules entry, step 1 and step 2. Everyone keep thinking, Keith. Anybody wants to fly a yes in there, let me know. All right. Let's just play this one out for fun to see how much this would go for. Let's see our money. Boom. Let's watch this go. Another. Boom. Follow the rule entry. Look at it go down. You'd have already made shit tons of money, but here we go. Every time the pink line comes up, you'll make more money. There it is going up. There she goes going up. There she goes. Go for another daily, another hourly. I didn't see that. Another hourly buy. Another daily D3. And there's your money. There you go. Isn't that fucking awesome? There it goes. There you go. Some more money. There's a daily again. Watch them both. Pop, pop, pop. Follow the rules. Pop, pop, pop. Market orders. Pop, pop, pop. Dailies. As soon as they come up, you do a rules order or a market order. Da 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 da. Look at them all. Look at them all. Here's your money. So this is the date of May the 3rd. Woo, we got a ways to go. Hold on now. Let's watch it a little more. This is June the 7th. Boom. There's your money just from the original 2 trades. And there it is. J-Flow, can we just get this yet? After it's been thoroughly tested, July 14th, yes, sir, you can get it. Someone try to remind me in 30 minutes in case they close off TikTok. I love it. I love it. I love it. That was a nice, quick little 30. I did about 35 this morning. I'm trying to limit my cardio, especially when I'm not fasted. I ate today, to just 30 minutes because I'll be doing it twice a day usually. Now, tomorrow, I don't know if I'll be on at all. I'm driving around and seeing my children tomorrow. Yay. Both of my beautiful girls. I need that. What channel? The tier signals. Yes. If you're paying for the tier signals, Jay, tier 1, 2, or 3, tier 1's $150 a month. You get up to 10 signals. Tier 2 is $250 a month. You get up to 20 signals. Tier 3 is you get unlimited signals, and then you get this on your charts. Yeah, it's pretty fucking cool. I got to be honest with you. It's fucking amazing. By the way, to be clear, it correctly called out multiple times. Look at all the times today it called it out right. This is today. Let's be clear. These are your signals right here. This is today. 5 minute, I don't know, 10 minute, 15 minute. Look, this is today calling out the right signals for NAS. And I think Keith fixed it so it didn't go to your Discord rooms yet, but it will the next time it calls these. I called them live anyways. Let's do a playback again just from here. I don't know if it'll call. Sometimes the playbacks work like there, but sometimes they don't. Let me see if it picks up the first one. Oh, shit. There we go. There we go. So when this is your daily, first time the 5-minute pops up over here, you can take it or you can do a rules entry, which is the 2-step rules, but we're just going to put a buy in here. And then let's go ahead and do a singular playback. This is today now. This is the today trades. Listen to me. Okay, we just hang out here. There's another one. You can follow the rules and enter it again. This is today. And there you are. And there's your money. You match up your arrows. The first time it comes up together, you can do a market order execution. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Show that money, says Larry. We should go over to Larry. We should go over to Larry. By the way, called out on the live this morning on NAS, called out to the system, called out live this morning on the Freedom Signal Indicator, and I called it out live. US 30 is the only one I didn't call out, and the signal service didn't call out because this was not a read on the 1 hour. The trade today on US 30 was a daily, weekly buy stop that I told you guys about to do. We caught all of that, by the way. That was a fucking free call right there, just saying. And there it is. And that's your buy stop. So the US 30 couldn't be called by the system per se. It could be on the higher time frame. But on this one, on the daily, it could not have. But it didn't hurt it because on NAS, we were able to see it all. Just gorgeous. And there it is. I love it. I love it. I love it. Look at this shit. You caught every pip humanly possible on NAS today. It called it. I called it. You called it from here to here. I called out, and the Freedom Indicator, Signal Indicator called out 298 pips on NAS alone. That's 300 pips on NAS. 300. And matter of factly, let's bring over my friendly neighborhood. Let me get this set a little bit. I love it. 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 I know it's a little annoying, but that's okay. This is one of the trades, one of my signal. Oh my gosh. And one of my Eagle FX accounts from 6-4 buy 02 NAS. $2,600. Divide that by 2. That's 1,300 pips. I'm up on a trade. So the 300 pips I got today because it was already up 1,000 prior. So there you go. Works fantastically. Why this works, what you're looking at with these lines, just so you know, Jay, is that this is nothing more than the rules right here, and specifically step 2 rules, step 1 and step 2, pushed into the code, order of operations by Keith. He coded it for us, and then this is what it comes out to. There is no emotions. There is none of the bullshit where humans fuck things up by getting scared or nervous or should I enter or shouldn't I enter. It tells you what to do. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for fun, demo trade only, but damn, is it fucking accurate. I showed you on gold, US 30, NAS, and SPX how accurate. What else you want to look at? You want to look at GBP, JPY? Let's see. I love it. I love it. I love it. Nothing. It's too messy. Let's see if it pulls it through. I don't know why it's calling for a daily buy right now. Let's take a look. Correct. But this is the first time it happened. This isn't a D1. So you got confused. This is a D1 here. This is a D2, but it can read only so good. That's all. Look at all these fucking ups. Wow, that's crazy. Let's go down to the 1 hour again. Let's go down to the 5 minute, and let's see if we see anything here. This is GBP, JPY. Matter of fact, let's do an in-depth read of Ethereum again for Larry. All right, I don't see anything in particular here. That's cool. All right, we're going to go over to Ethereum. One of our members is a little deep into this one, so we're going to have some fun with this. Let's see. Really didn't make shit of a move today. Let's see what we got over here. All right, let me go over to daily. Damn. Hey, Keith, are you still here? The great Keith Palmer. Are you still here amongst us mere mortals? Let's see. D1, but it's already dipped down. That should be called back, actually. Nope, Keith may not be here. I'll be talking to him in a bit. Oh, Keith, you're here? Oh, hold on, I'll get back to Ethereum. Keith, I think it was gold. No. Hold on. 1 second, Keith Aruni. Damn, where was it? Didn't get the signature 1, 2, or 2. Need to have 4-hour look at. Keith, need to add 4-hour time frame look at Bitcoin. Let me see Bitcoin. I don't know why I'd be looking at Bitcoin anyways, because the fuck about Bitcoin, but let's see. This was today. Yeah. This is the 1 hour, 4-hour. Right, and it couldn't read it on the daily. But why did I care? Kev trade, open, Discord only. Right. Damn, Keith, now you're going to make me look and see which one we had a problem with. It wasn't Bitcoin, it was gold. Weekly, daily, buy stop. So let me check that on 613 gold. Yeah, I don't know why I cared about Bitcoin. I can give t-shirts less about Bitcoin. We need to do the weekly, daily. Yeah. That's what we were seeing. Hold on. So let's go back over here. Let's go over to daily. Yes. Keith Aruni. Let me make sure on something here. We need to go to weekly. Oh, Keith is going to yell at me. He's going to say, because the pink isn't hooking up yet, you can't have. Although, shouldn't we? Is the normal buy stop order of operations still only when the pink's hooking up on the weekly day on the weekly, Keith? Is that correct? Damn, I bet you that's what he's going to say. Fuck. I think we might change that on a weekly, daily then. Because if there's a buy stop forming on that, we need to be able to do it. Little tuxie head. Little tuxie head. That's too funny. How cute. I bet you that's 1,000,000 to 1. What he's going to say. Fuck. Well, then I want to add it. We can look at that after live, Keith. They're fun. If you guys ever knew what me and Keith talk about and how long it takes us, you'd have a heart attack. And then I talk fast and I say something, then Keith codes it one way, then I change my mind, and then he codes it another. Much like this is going to be. I'm not in front of your computer. Oh, shit. All right, Keith, fine. We won't talk about it now. But I'll remember that. I wrote it down, so we're good. Hey, Flight 379. Thanks, Greg. You have a good night too, sir. God bless you. All right. Does anybody have any signals before I go over Ethereum? Anybody have any signals? Anybody have any symbols they want me to call out? Any questions or anything? This looks really good. What is this? 12-hour daily buy stop. Yeah. Daily, weekly buy stop, Ethereum. That should just sum it up for you. Yay. What's up, Harris? Good to see you, sir. It's always better when you're here. What's up, Harris? Good evening. Harris, how long you been with us? I think Harris has been with us a fucking long time. All right. This is my hint to you guys right here. Free call out for you. When one of these, and let me draw it out for you since some of you really don't even understand words. Say we have NAS flip to red right here overnight from now till 9:15 in the morning, and then this one flips to red. Then I would go ahead and play. So if these two turn to red, then I would go ahead and play the 30-second blue line sell stop. If this flips to overnight right here, and all three of these are red, and let's just say this one turns, then I would play 15-second, 30-second sell stop to the US 31-minute and the SPX. Now, if all of these, which would be awfully weird, switch and say SPX switches overnight, they all turn down and go down, then I would play the 15-second, 30-second, 1-minute sell stops till NAS and US 33-minute. Does everybody understand that? I've been in the group forever. No. But you've been here a while, Harris. All right. Sevens, if you understand that. This scanner is amazing for the exact days. It's a hard up. It's been going up a long time over all of day. We should see a little pullback, and that's what you'll see when you see it tonight. Safe trade. This isn't the next scanner we're working on. I'm going to be already working on. We're going to get coded. Matter of fact, we'll start that this evening. The Holy Grail trade. Unless a zebra can change stripes into a polka dotted hyena, I don't know, they have polka dots, the trade will win. What's up, CZ4785? Okay, so they're all sevens. Good, Larry, Garth, Tony. Artemis poetry. Well, it was either a 7 or a 9. Artemis, art, music, poetry. Oh, you like art music. So do you have the system, which I don't think you do, art, music, poetry? These are call outs for people who have the system. What's up, CZ4785? I don't know who you are either, but welcome, and welcome, music, art, music, poetry. Okay, so that takes care of those call outs, free call outs for you. Look for these to happen overnight by 9:15 tomorrow morning. These will all do this, unless it's a super hard up and they keep it going up, which I don't think so. They flip this to the 1 hour. I think they're going to bounce it, hook it around, and do a ricochet entry. So I think we all have time for this to pull down, in other words. Keith, I always keep a sloppy chart, and Keith gets onto me, so I'm just going to pull these completely out of the way. I'm a bit slobby when it compared to Keith. So there, I'm going to move these out of the way. Zippity doo dah, zippity day. My oh my, wonderful day. All right, here we go. We're going to go back up to Ethereum. We're going to call this out pretty strict so that we can get this to here's your daily buy, and then 12-hour daily buy, like I called out. I would put your buy stop up. Did I not do this too? I must release these signals or something. I'm going to put it right here. This is a 12-hour daily buy stop, not a butt stop. Buy stop, Ethereum. Today is 6:17, just so we know. But I've been calling this for a minute, so whatever, doesn't matter. Boop. Okay. And there we go. So there you are. Matter of fact, we can drop that down a little bit lower. It was already on your daily chart. Oh, it was? Son of a fucking bitch. Oh, I swear. I limit the time frames on these things. At least Pete pays attention to what I'm doing. None of you other people caught that. All right, I'm going to go back here, though. Yeah. I want to grab this and just keep following it down as this drops. This is perfection. All right, let's go to these lower time frames. Thanks, Pete, for Larry, and see what he's sell. 15-second sell, 30-second sell just happened. 1 minute sell happened. 3-minute sell already happened. This would have been a 15-minute sell right here. Ooh, no, it was not. Let's see. Nope, we can't call that one. 30 minutes, not down low enough. It'll come down further. 1 hour. There's your 1 hour sell to the blue line. That's perfect. And it's forming. Oh, yeah. So this is a 1 minute sell. So 1 hour sell, 1 hour sell to the blue line. Perfect. 2 hour sell. Play any 15-second through 1 hour sell stop towards the 2 hour blue line. Ethereum forming a 12-hour daily, and really technically it's a daily weekly buy stop. So you can go with the 12-hour buy, that's not a problem, but it's really a daily weekly because this blue line broke and came down. It has to finish coming down now. This will come over here, that's a hook and come back up. I would keep buying Ethereum on any buys you can until Ethereum breaks 4,500, 4,300. I forgot what the hell I said. Somewhere up here, it's going to break. And I would keep doing those buys until it does. If it doesn't, so what? You just make an extra $800 instead of $1,000 a coin. 4,500, Peter says. So there you go. All right. Anybody on TikTok or YouTube have any questions? I called out Ethereum for you. Bitcoin's the same, by the way. Ethereum, Bitcoin, SPX, NAS, and US 30. Anybody want me to do gold? Further gold, actually. Peter P. You go to sleep tonight, Peter. I'm not even calling gold out because Peter won't sleep. Pete, you got to sleep. You're welcome, Larry. Keep making money on Ethereum, brother. For the people. Thank God. Wake the F up. I understand where you guys are coming from. So let's go to gold. Kelly McMahon says yes to gold, please. Well, let's take a look, shall we? Weekly, daily. Look, in a book, it's in a book. I can trade anything. We have a daily, weekly buy stop gold. Now, why is this on my weekly? Hold on. Visibility and isability. I can do anything. Why the hell would I have it on seconds? That's bullshit. All right. This is a daily, weekly buy stop on gold. Hint, hint, hint. This was my favorite then. It's still my favorite now. You can clearly see tons of buys over here. Tons of buys from here on in. Buy, 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 buy. And so on and so forth. Tons. These are big movements. They're not as little as I'm showing them. They're big. So there's your daily. And there's your weekly. Not as good as this weekly, monthly was, but it's still very good. And this is my buy line. There we are in the trade. You're up like $14 an ounce. So that's the bigger picture. Peter P doesn't need sleep. Haha. What's up, Kevin Alderman? Good evening, sir. Glad you're here. All right. Let's take a look then at some smaller time frames. 1 hour. I'm going to go ahead and say this is a 1 hour, 2 hour buy somewhere in there. Nope. There it is. 3 hour sell. 4 hour sell. 4 hours, 7 hour. 4 hour, 12 hour. Then it turns into a daily. So if we're at a 4-hour sell, where is it going down to? Ricochet. 4-hour sell stop gold down to the 1-hour blue line, which didn't I say he was going to do this again? I could have swore I said that. Yeah. Did I not say he was going to ricochet up and come back down again on gold to the blue line? Maybe not. Not 100% sure on that, but I kind of thought I did. All right, and then it's going to form the so a 4-hour sell stop to the 1-hour blue line, and then it's going to form its daily weekly buy. And I just prefer the daily weekly buy. Anything underneath that, don't really care. It's already gone up. This is your up. Where's it going to? Oh, it's already past all that. This is a 30-second buy. Yep. 30-second 1-minute buy, 30-second 1-minute buy, 30-second, it was already a 5, it hit the 10-minute line. Play any 15-second, 30-second, 1-minute, 3-minute, 5-minute, 10-minute buy stop towards the 15-minute blue line, and I think we'll hit it. Or to get at least closer than it is. Yeah, get closer than it is. And then it is forming for us don't care, the 4-hour sell, and then it is forming for us my favorite and yours, the daily weekly buy, and that is gold. Is that clear enough what gold's going to do for you? 7s for yeses, 9s for nos. You're the alpha, not her. Okay, so that was clear. Awesome. Thank you, D Nice. You're welcome, D Nice. Next up, I want to do my fave, only because I hear all this horse shit about other things. You're welcome, Kelly. We're going to take a look at what? Ho, ho, ho. We're going to take a look at GBP JPY monthly. Now, why would I do this every day? Oh, was it weekly? Sorry. Because I am a punish. Oh, shit, we got the wrong indicator set up. Hold on. I am a glutton for punishment. No, because I like to see the big picture of things. Let's take a look. It is monthly. Let's take a look at this. Oh, shit. Let's make sure my TikTok isn't about to be cut off. And, oh boy, I hope I don't lose you guys on TikTok. All right. Here we go. Look at the power of what you're about to see. You have a weekly, and then you have a weekly daily safety trade 1. This is the first one you should take, technically. But we're going to go ahead and take the first. We're going to take all these fuckers. So going back to the first call out on a buy is March 2nd of 2020. So we're going to do, look at this shit. We're going to do monthly call outs every time you see this weekly. Let's be clear. That's a buy, a buy, a buy, a buy, a buy, a buy. These are all blue in this case, but they're all buys. We're going to see this over here switch. This is a machine gun pre-signal. You'll see that switch. Then you'll see one of these pop up, and then you'll see these start to switch. So we're going to watch right here, waiting for the green arrow up here to come. Let's see if we can get that manually. I think we can. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. My, oh my, what a wonderful day. Plenty of sunshine calling my way. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-day. Da-da-dee-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-dee-da-da-da-da. I don't know if we'll get the signal to bounce. That's what I'm trying to show you, if you get the signal here. Da, da, dee, da, da, da. There we go. Now, when we see this, you'll see that this indicator right here, the weekly, turned to green. Weekly turned to blue in this case. It is telling us if we go to our actual Discord rooms right here, it'll send the weekly out here. Weekly, daily, tier 1, 2, and 3. So that signal will go out to those. You can also manually put signals in off of TradingView because Keith did that for us. So we're going to do a buy right here, pop. And then we're going to wait for the next signals to pop up. How glorious this is. This is our money right here. We'll watch that. This is GBP JPY from 2020 on. So here we go. I'm going to speed it up to ×3. Every time one of these blue things pops up, I'm going to do another buy if I can catch it fast enough. There's your money. This is GBP JPY. And this is just wonderful. I don't think you guys understand how wonderful this is. Okay, again, we're just letting it go. This is 10 times speed. Otherwise, we'd be here for hours and hours and hours. So currently, there's another one. Currently, we're in January 2021. We're going to wait for the next one. Look at your money. Look at the money. And this is from 2020 till 2024 current day. This is a playback. Here's another buy. This is a playback. And in this particular case, because we're doing monthlies, I'm going to allow every entry to be an entry here because it's so easy. Everybody thinks Bitcoin went up a lot. It did. And a lot of other symbols went up a lot. Here's another one. But GBP JPY went up 60,000 pips from the time the first signal was called. 60,000 pips. Another one. And currently we're in 2022. And that's our money right here, if you can see that. We've gone in 5 times so far. I think that might be our limit, actually. And there's our money. Look at it go. And this is a live playback feature on GBP JPY. And I did call out a buy every day on GBP JPY last year and all the way up to this year. I'm just showing you this cool thing. And I want to show you Amazon, the earnings, how the system works too with that. It's fucking incredible. We're going off the screen here. Oh, we're done. That's how much we won, 100% win rate. This is the best trade we had. Can you do silver? Yep, absolutely, JFlow, sure will. And there you go. This is 60,000 pips in 4 years on GBP JPY. Okay, so if anybody would like that to do it again, let me know. But it is simple as that. Does anybody have any questions? Every time you saw these flip right here, doop, doop, they match up. And I'm only allowing you to go in multiple times. We're doing monthlies. If anybody wants to trade monthlies, you have balls of steel. That'd be great. Doop, 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 doop. That's insanity, says Larry Cooper. I agree. Anybody? Okay, we're good. Okay, I'll go to silver then. I know I have it. Here it is, silver. Silver in bells, silver in bells. One is silver, one is bells. Silver and gold, silver and gold. One is silver and one is gold. Oh, does he want me to review silver? Or do you want me to trade silver? I'll do a trading of silver first. Forming, it's going to come down. Pink line will drop further, forming a weekly buy stop. Weekly, daily. This is a daily buy stop. This is a 12-hour daily buy stop. I would put my silver blue line buy right here and sit here and wait. I would drop it a little lower. Silver and bells, silver and gold. One, I would have actually popped it in off of here, but I can't go hindsight, so I'll take this up here, even though it's bullshit. I would have already entered that trade. Silver buy stop. What is this? What I say? Daily, weekly, silver buy stop. So it's a daily buy stop. That's how I would look at it. It looks fantastic. Let me see. Is this the first time for daily? No. This is the problem that comes in. Let's take a look. We have silver first time here, second time here, third time there. So the reality is this first time of silver is by far the best time to get in it. And it's not even close. Here's our weeklies. Weekly, weekly, weekly. So I'll mark our weekly. Let's take a look. Where's my little... Hey. Oh, there it is. Weeklies here, pop. Weeklies here, pop. Let's see what our daily looks like. Da, da, da. There we go. There's your weekly again, callouts. Now we can switch over to a different freedom signal indicator, and we can drop it down because this is a little high up. We can do the daily and hourly and see what's called. I think you'll like these results a lot better. Look at all that shit, okay? Here's our rules. On silver, you should have been in here on the first daily. So you should have got in right here on this first daily. Then the first time it called in a 30-minute or a 1 hour or 15. Look at the 15. And then we can play this back and see what you could have, should have, would have done. System makes no mistakes. Well, we're checking that. But we're going to play it back to here. See if it'll grab it for us. Da, da, da. We'll wait for this to drop down a little. Boop, boop, boop. There you go. This is turned to green. This is our machine gun pre-signal. D1, you can do a buy immediately with this. Then you'll wait for either the hourly, the 30-minute, or the 15-minute. And let's see. We're not going to do it at 10 times speed. We're going to do it at 1 time speed. Then I'll pause it. I'm going to wait for one of these to turn green and pop up over here. Hopefully it'll do that. I don't know. That's your money. Oop, there you go. Now you have a double. Sometimes it does this. The 15 minutes hiding the 30. So you would do immediately, because this is the first time these two arrows, or 3 arrows in this case, match up. So we're going to do another buy. Pop. There it goes. Clear here. It comes here. Shows here. Goes to the Discord there. So we're going to watch our money there. Wait for any more of these to flip around. And silver and metals. We're waiting now. We don't take these trades, even though they were just called. You can do a rules entry on those trades. Watch this blue pink line come down again. This is a daily 2 now, the second time. Watch when this comes up, what your money does, and watch all these things here. Watch your money. Watch it come up. See your 15, 10-minute again. Pop, pop, pop. There's your more money again. And there you go. Look at the 5th. Look at the money. Look at it go up. And that's silver. And that's how you play it. Silver and metals. There's the pink going down again. Silver and metals. One is da 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 da. There you go. And this is why I'm calling out a D3 buy, daily, weekly buy stop silver. It's going to come off that line and arch back up again. You're a little late, but it'll still do it. Everybody understand the first time is the best time? 7s, please, if you understand that this first time is better than this third time. Not saying it won't work. I'm just saying you'll get more money. It's better. Silver and metals, silver and gold. One is on, one is old. All right. Now, let's take a look at some smaller time frames, because I'm sure he doesn't want to play that shit. It takes forever. Let's take a look in a book. Reading Rainbow, I can do anything. All right, I see nothing on the 1 hour that I'm going to call. Nope, 1 hour, 4 hour sell. Technically, I will call. Let's see if we see our sells here, though. Nope, 15-minute. Nope. Nope, where's she going to? Oh, we have a buy. Buy, buy, buy. Let's see. Yep, here we go. We have a ricochet and a 15-minute. All right, here we go. Play any without looking. Play any 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3-minute, 5-minute, 10-minute buy stop to the 15-minute blue line. It's going to hook down again, come back up, you'll see this pink. If you have it, who got this? Got to get go get my peeps. You guys name. All right, Ore, have a good evening, sir. Thank you for being here. Wait for this purple line to come back down again, then do your buy stop. It'll come down probably to the yellow line, red line right in here. Then put your silver buy stop in here. So again, this is what you're going to see. Let this come down like this, hook and come back up. Boom, blue lines cross. When this hooks down here, you're going to see price action come down like this, hook and come back up to this blue line. Again, I don't understand the blue line. It's fucking right there in the 15-minute chart. If you have the system, I have no sympathy for you. If you don't have the system, then buy it. It's right there. So that's what it's going to do. Sure as shit, that's what it's going to do. But let's keep going down and down and down. Silver and bell. 1 minute, 3 minute buy stop. If you want to play some sell stops, 15-second sell stop to the 30-second blue line, it's going to go down and hit that. 15, 30-second sell stop down to the 1 minute blue line, it will hit that. It normally doesn't hit the 3 minute blue line. It will hook before then. And then when it starts to hook and come back up, you'll start seeing 15-second and 30-second buys. And that's what you're going to see here. Silver and bells. So that's that. Did that help you with silver? I don't know who asked that. Let's take a look. Yes, J Flow. Did that help you, Jay? And let me see something here. Do you remember? Do you recall? Do you remember if I'll ask Bree, then I'll ask him. All right, so that's silver. You're welcome, JFlow. Anybody on TikTok have any symbol they want me to check for you? It can be obscure as long as I can chart it on TradingView, which there's 1,000 symbols. I can help you with it. Well, Lord willing, help you with it. Who loves my sister? Da, da, da. So we called out gold. We called out silver. We called out GBP, JPY. We called out US 30. We called out NAS and SPX. We didn't call out oil or USD, but we called out Ethereum ad nauseum. XRP, I don't give a fuck how low it goes. I bought it at 31 cents. I'm going to keep saying buy stop, monthly buy stop XRP. I'm not calling out Bitcoin because I called out Bitcoin for you people for fucking year straight. If you didn't listen to me for that year, I refuse to help you now on Bitcoin. I called it first time on March the 8th as a buy at 26,500. I literally have hundreds of videos after that calling me for the same thing every day for a year from March the 8th, 2023 until today. Yeah, take that far. This is addicting to watch. Okay, I'm leaving. Okay, get out of here, Raider Trader. Go. Come back later, watch it. That's silly. Can you look at Barclays Bank? Sure, Pete. Let's take a look at Barclays Bank. The whole purpose of my system is to help you become consistent. Yes. All right, Pete. Bark. Let's look at Bark. Bark. Barclays Banks. Barclays. I don't know what that is. Barclays. 6, 8 cap. Which one of these? I don't know why it doesn't say bank. New York Stock Exchange, Barclays. Which one would you like, Pete? Top one. Got it. All right. We're looking at this. Sure looks like a daily, weekly buy. It is. 12-hour, not even a bullshit. All right, fine. 7-hour, 12 buy. I'm calling 12-hour daily buy, daily, weekly buy. Oh, I know why. The weekly isn't low enough yet. It's going to dip. Okay, cool, sweet. 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 He's just asking for symbols, and I didn't want to do it if he wasn't a member. Silver and bells, silver and bells, silver and gold. All right, let's keep going. Sorry. All right, 7 hour buy, 12, 4 hour low, 1 hour, then 3, 2, 2 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop, Barclays, daily, 12 hour daily, weekly buy stop, Barclays. It's going to show as a 30-minute, right? 30-minute sell, but that's not what we're calling. Silver in, but there's going to be some buys here. This is nice. Let's get some money. Let's get some money, honey. All right, this is what we got. 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute buy stop, Barclays to the 3-minute blue line. Pete, let this come down. When it comes down here, put a buy in. Hopefully this shit will hook. I don't know. It's a steep drop right there. I doubt it will do it. Let it come down here. Let the space happen. You're filling the gap happen right here. Then you'll see this hook up. Then you'll see price come up. It's going to do it again somewhere around here. Then it's going to do it, and it'll come up, touch our blue line, or come very close to blue line touch. So let me be clear. 15-second, play any 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute buy stop towards the 3-minute blue line on Barclay. Then look for a 2 hour, 4 hour sell stop on Barclay. Then the best one I like is the 12 hour daily or the daily weekly buy stop on Barclay. This is fucking fantastic. Are you kidding me? This is a daily weekly buy stop to the blue line. This is where I would put in my buy stop if I was doing it somewhere above here. Let me go back down to the daily and see where that will fall. Maybe a little higher. Maybe not. Right there. Hey, where'd it go? Whoa, whoa. Is this my line? No. What the fuck? Yo. Where did my line go? So this is a daily, weekly buy stop. Da 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 da. I'd put it a little lower. Pete, did that help you out? I hope you like that. I think that was pretty thorough for you. That's what I could see. Figured it was going to drop to around 190 maybe, then back up. 190. Looks like it did 199. It might dip down there. Yeah, it might. Sure. You can just follow it down. Oh, sweet. Oh, yay. JFlow. Yay. Oh, sweet. Yay. Silver and bells. Silver and gold. You're welcome, Pete. Art, music, poetry. RDDT. Is that Reddit? RDDT. RDDT. It is Reddit. You go, Reddit. I don't know. I've never looked at the stock in my fucking life. Reddit. It doesn't have anything. What the fuck? What, Reddit's only been out? Why isn't there any data on Reddit? What the fuck? When did Reddit come out? When did RDDT come out? My charts only read back to March 18th, 2024. This is not acceptable. Look at this shit. What the hell crap is this 12-hour buy? You can't even go before this. What the hell? What the heck kind of Fruit Loop? I can't make a read on it. There's nothing to read. When did Reddit come out? I didn't even know it was a stock. Cool, Reddit. I love Reddit. I think it has a whole bunch of interesting weirdos and fascinating stuff on there. I think it's cool as fuck. But I don't know what this is. I mean, it's giving me like a couple of months to read. This is ridiculous. I can tell you one thing. Our system called out that earnings before it happened perfectly. I was going to go over this with you guys anyways. Let's take a look. Everybody that I was taught with for 5 years, 5.5 years, said indicators lag. You can't see the future with indicators. And boy, were they 100% wrong. Let's take a look. Let's take a look, shall we? Of how freaking incredible, absolutely amazing, how freaking psychotically good this reads the future. Okay. Everybody here, so all the new people, including art, music, poetry, this is on his or theirs or hers or whatever this is. This is what we're looking at right here. Everyone out there, what is this that's in my system, including the people stealing my system? What is up against this right here where it's blue line low, green, 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 red, and I'm assuming we have green, green up here, but let's take a look. I don't know why. There might not be enough history to read it. Anywho, what is this? A buy stop, sell stop, or nothing? Everybody. You put your buy stop line right here. Boom, and let's see what it is. Let's see the answers that come in. TikTok, YouTube, go ahead and answer. What is this right here? Green, 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 red, green, green. Is this a buy stop with a blue line low on the sniper? Is this a buy stop, sell stop, or nothing? Buy stop, buy. Not Mickey, it's not a buy, it's a buy stop. Garth Faulkner, correct. Buy stop, not today, correct. Nathan Homer, correct. There you go. And let's see what happens in the future. They have their earnings announcement, and their earnings must have been pretty damn good. It went straight up. And there you go. And that's how you'd played it. So you could have made back here, you could have made your buy stop entry at a 1445 and earnings came out at 2230. You could have had your buy stops in place for 8 hours or took options out in place for 8 hours and you'd have had earnings. Now, I don't know why Reddit won't come up because there's just not enough history. I don't know what the fuck it's doing. But I can't read something that looks like this. Look at this. This is worse than Bitcoin. Look at this shit. There's nothing here to read. I don't have any data. Let's compare this where it goes back to March 2024, watch, to gold, which goes back to 19... Hold on. Gold, which goes back to, are you looking at this? Gold, which goes back to 1944, 1936. So I have gold data from 1936, all correct, by the way. And then there's Reddit from 2 months ago or whatever the fuck it is. Ridiculous. So sorry, art, music, poetry, I can't give you a read on it. I can give you a hell of a read on gold. Let me show you gold. You're going to laugh your ass off on this one. Silver and bell. Silver and bell. One is gold, one is silver and bell. Silver and bell. Silver and bell. Look at all these correct calls. Boy. Silver and bell. Silver and bell. Da, 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 da. These are your weekly dailies in the last several months since 2016 and all the different buys on it. All right, sorry I couldn't read that for you. I think I'm going to go ahead and go in case, unless it's someone else. TikTok, any other questions? YouTube, any questions before I leave? Please remember, we are Stan ambassadors. Stan is like, I don't know, just an online store. We're a top store. We have 3 top stores with them. Please understand that you all want to be more consistent with your trading. I understand that. I really do. And that you want your freedom. Trust me on that one too. Any questions on TikTok? Any questions on YouTube? It's been a wonderful evening. Nice and easy. We've gone through a lot. Very easy. Holding trades. Well, yeah, since I'm holding NAS, I can tell you why I'm holding NAS and how I'm holding NAS. Sure. Da, 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 da. Here's a specific example to you. Let's take a look. Let me make sure I enter here. Oh, yeah. All right, here we go. I'm in 2 trades right now that are extremely long. Well, in your terms, extremely long. Okay. I'm in this trade since 4-6, 6-4 and 6-4, up 1,300 pips on NAS and SPX, 150, 200. And let's take a look. How am I holding the trade, or why am I holding the trade? Actually had multiple of those NASs and SPX open. I closed some, but let's take a deeper dive here. You can clearly see that trades, I hold trades at least extensively from the weekly and daily lines. You'll see this pink line come up to the blue line on the sniper. Number 1, blue line high. Number 2, the pink line is low. You can see clearly it did it over here. And when it does this, it fills in the gap between the green histogram bar and the black and the buy signal line in this case. And I'll take my first sell out here and then leave it open and let it run after that. You can clearly see in this case, as this is coming up on the weekly, it goes to here. Now, if I was looking at a daily trade, the same exact rules apply. You'll see fill in the gaps right here. Let's show you right there. You can see the first thing, blue line high, pink line low. Here's your fill in the gap right here. You can see there's green, and then there's space, and there's yellow. You can see the buy stop right here. It's the exact same timing as this. You wait till the pink line rises up all the way to the top. You close one down. You'll see it come up and close that fill in the gap. If I was doing well, the daily controls the hourly, but if I was doing an hourly 3-minute, I would look for that same exact thing. It's not going to be right here. It'll be right here, for instance. Let's see if we have a fill in the gap, though. Kind of. Yep, there is one right there. Let's take a look. Right here, we have our 1 hour blue line high, pink low. It'll rise up. As it rises up, it fills this gap right here. Oop. And I hold the trade until this comes up to the top. I'll close one down and let the other one run. And that's how that works. Marcus Mike Jones. And I answer that because you answered my question on the buy stop. I don't mind helping you out when you show interest in what's happening. Da, 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 da. All right, guys. God bless you on TikTok. See you later. Everybody have a great night. God bless you on YouTube. Everybody have a good night. God bless you all.